Hi, I'm Mika.
I'm Harper.
And we're making chicken party treats. So, here are some of the ingredients.
Yes.
We use gelatin, apple juice, cold water, boiling water. You can use like cracked corn.
And this is what it
eggs.
actually looks like. And you can make it with
broccoli.
We
got dried up mealworms. There's
mushrooms, white broccoli too,
which is cauliflower.
Yeah. We got some sunflower seeds and what are these?
Oat grains.
Tomatoes.
Yep. You can also add some more vegetables
that they would probably
love eating these.
Like little bits of carrots or something.
Yeah. And so we're gonna go show you. We're gonna go feed the chicks, and you'll see some more. So let's go. Hello, we're at the Fluffy Butt Hut, and we're gonna go feed the chickens what we have made for them. And you can also add more stuff than just this stuff.
And Grammy's gonna post the recipe online.
Yep. So hey chickens, do you want some dessert?
Who wants a dessert?
Yay! Yeah, let's see them eat. See if they will eat it. Look at their sunset.
They're all eating.
Yeah, they're starting to eat. Wonder if we did something wrong for those chickens. Do they like it? Guys, we put mealworms